very hot. Hi, I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
Looking lovely in that USA hat.
And I'm Ellie and I manage North America. And this is Simon, he manages the practical side of courses in the US.
That's our kits all lined up and ready, and here's the house we was doing the install on.
It's great to be able to show the behind the scenes of our training course tour in the USA, starting with Seattle.
We are using a very strong UV stable, semi-flexible binder for the rocks. This is used to stop discoloration over time from exposure to the sun.
These are the bags of rock that go into the mixer. We use 4 different bags in each mix. We use big and small rocks to reduce the gaps in the surface, which gives it a lot more strength.
There I am doing my bit of manual labour for the week.
Yeah, it's not easy to look as good as we were doing that.
So you need to make sure you're getting all of that resin out and mixing it with your aggregate. The key to resin bound is consistency, so whatever you do with your first mix, you do with every mix after. You'd mix that for roughly 3 minutes.
Oh, here we go.
This is a screed box that's used in the USA. It helps set the depth of the resin bound, and then you would trowel that to compact it down to the depth that it's designed to be laid.
Here's the homeowner Kristen, who's absolutely thrilled with the transformation.
This is what's very popular known as ASMR, which you can find more of on our TikTok page.
Reese, who's a contractor, came over from the UK with us guys. Really, really good, done it for 10 years, showing everyone how it's done.
We overlaid a failed epoxy resin rock system on this project. The Vuba Stone binder is a UV stable, flexible polyurethane resin.
This is a really important part of the process because you need to make sure you've got that mixer as clean as possible, ready for your next job.
Definitely something I left you to do, Lucy. I think I was busy at this point.
Yeah, magically wandered away, I think. The customers were absolutely over the moon. In fact, they told us if we ever want to go back from England, we're more than welcome, and that was a lovely offer from them.
And now it's time to kick back, relax, have a few beers, and there's Ellie raising a glass to a course well done. And we had to leave our stamp in Seattle. Vuba till I die. We ride together, we die together. And now on to the next stop of our US tour.
We are heading to Brooksville in Florida.
We touched down in Florida, but unfortunately our suitcases didn't. Next stop, relaxation before the hard work begins.
I began managing North America this year after we exhibited at the World of Concrete in Las Vegas. It's been an amazing experience so far, venturing into the North American market.
By the way, we sang got our suitcases, so I have got Ellie's top on. I was going to get a tag that says assistant, that's why I don't say Lucy.
As we landed in Arizona, our cases finally arrived, and as you can see, we were all pretty happy.
More passion, more energy, more energy.
Hi everyone, so today we are in Prescott in Arizona and we are at our 3rd training course of the US trip. We are installing Piazza Verona for the main area and Spanish quartz for the border.
No need to ask, he's a smooth operator.
The skinnier trowel's more for rubber. Yeah, you need a concrete trowel, really. Yeah. I find the Vuba stone to trowel very nice. It's a very beautiful product, various colors.
We are holding courses throughout the UK, North America, UAE and Europe. Please contact us if you would like to attend a Vuba training course.